Oh my god, hold on to your hats, because Bitcoin is rocketing through the stratosphere. The digital currency titan has just blasted past the 60K mark like it's nothing. In just the past 3 days, Bitcoin has surged a whopping 20%. And with less than 36 hours left in the month, it's less than 1.94% away from making history. This isn't just any run-of-the-mill price movement. This is Bitcoin continuing its extraordinary journey. But wait, there's more. The excitement doesn't stop there. Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are smashing records with over $3 billion in cumulative trading volumes recorded on Tuesday alone. This is huge. It's fueling the demand like never before. And guess what? Some savvy traders are whispering about the Bitcoin halving event coming up in April, stirring the pot with a pre-halving rally that's got everyone on the edge of their seat. And just when you thought it couldn't get any more exhilarating, the broader CoinDesk 20 Index, CD20, has leaped nearly 3%. Futures bets betting against Bitcoin? Obliterated, with $25 million in liquidations since the crack of dawn in Asian markets, which has only thrown gasoline on the fire of this price spike. But hold on, let's not forget the other major players catching this wave. Ether, ETH, Solana's SOL, and XRP are all posting gains of up to 3% since the Asian morning hours, per CoinGecko. It's like the whole crypto market is in a frenzy. Now, let's talk about the Fear and Greed Index. You know, the one that measures how greedy or fearful the market is? It's flashing a staggering 82, signaling extreme greed and marking the highest level of euphoria we've seen in over a year. This is critical, folks, because when the market hits this level of greed, it's typically a sign that a correction might be on the horizon. But the traders? They're not even flinching. They're looking at this and betting that Bitcoin is going to shatter its previous highs and march towards $69,000 in March. The atmosphere is electric, the stakes are high, and the excitement is palpable. Hold on to your seats, folks, because the Bitcoin world is about to get wild. Funding rates are skyrocketing to a staggering 100%. And let me tell you, this isn't just news. This is a golden ticket for the savviest of traders out there. We're talking about a once-in-a-lifetime arbitrage bonanza that's got crypto hedge funds and non-directional traders licking their lips in anticipation. Picture this. The Bitcoin freight train is not just moving. It's practically blasting through every station with the cost of holding those juicy leveraged bullish bets in perpetual futures soaring to the sky. Why? Because the opportunity to make a killing on the arbitrage is just too good to pass up. Early Tuesday morning, Bitcoin did something it hasn't done since the tail end of 2021. It soared nearly to $57,000, pushing its year-to-date gain to an eye-watering 32%, according to CoinDesk. And if that's not enough to get your heart racing, the CoinDesk 20 Index itself is nearly 6% higher. But here's where it gets really interesting. Over on Binance, the annualized funding rate for Bitcoin perpetual futures blasted past 100% for the first time in who knows how long. And it's not just Binance. Bybit and Deribit are seeing funding rates at 95% and 56%, respectively. For those in the know, perpetuals or futures without an expiry date use these funding rates to ensure prices stay in sync with the spot market. A positive funding rate. That's the market screaming bullish, with traders paying up to hold long positions. Marcus Thielen, the brain behind 10x Research, is dropping some serious knowledge bombs, saying this surge is all thanks to traders betting big on bullish outcomes, all amped up for continued inflows into US-based spot ETFs. The perp funding rates are exploding, Thielen says, and with open interest sky high at $14.4 billion, traders are more bullish than ever, banking on the halving and ETF inflows to send prices soaring even higher. And here's the kicker. With funding rates this high, non-directional traders and arbitrageurs are in the perfect spot to rake in substantial returns. Imagine shorting perpetual futures while simultaneously buying in the spot market, pocketing the premium, and sidestepping the volatility like it's nothing. Thielen's calling it a wonderful time to be in crypto, with BTC and ETH trading at premiums of 20% and 30% or even higher. This market is a win-win, whether you're holding long or playing the perp spread. Guys, you will not believe what's brewing in the Bitcoin universe right now. We're on the verge of something absolutely monumental, and you need to brace yourselves because the Bitcoin bulls are not just charging, they're aiming for the stars, targeting the jaw-dropping 69K lifetime highs, and it's all happening ahead of the halving. So here's the scoop. There's this electric anticipation in the air, a pre-halving rally that's shaping up to be the perfect storm for scooping up some sweet short-term profits. Market insiders are practically buzzing with euphoria, and why wouldn't they be? Institutional buying demand is through the roof, and historical gains linked to Bitcoin's halving events have traders betting big this time around. What does that mean for you and me? Well, with the next halving expected in mid-April, we're looking at a ticking countdown clock to potentially fewer Bitcoins hitting the market. And if demand stays steady, or dare we say increases, we're talking about prices going nowhere but up.